Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to check if your PC uses BIOS or UEFI on Windows 10 or in your Windows 11. So for this guys, just you need to press Windows key button and here you need to search system information and open it. In the system information, on the right panel, find out BIOS mode. As you can see guys, BIOS mode is here. You can get your BIOS mode is legacy or UEFI. As you can see guys, my BIOS mode is UEFI, as you can see guys. So from here you can easily able to find out that. Okay, so this is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.